Hey y'all, welcome back to Heritage Soap. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how we make our embeds for our Mermaid soap that we make, our high top soap, and our cupcakes. These are just 6 of our molds. I'm going to show you how we do it. We use different layers of glycerin soap. Now our soap that we make is a cold process soap, but our embeds are glycerin soap embellishments. So I just wanted to make that clear to y'all. And today I'm using, and I may have to stop the video to go heat this back up a few seconds, but I need to keep all my soap liquid as possible. I have a beautiful green. It looks like a sea green. A beautiful turquoisey, ocean-like blue. It's real shimmery. And then I have a beautiful pink. It has a lot of shimmer. This one's starting to set up a little. See that? I hope you can see it, guys. And this one's already setting up too, but this is a beautiful purple. And here it is. Okay. We usually do 20 of these at a time. And, you know, it takes some time to get all that done. So I'll be speeding up parts of the video so that it doesn't get boring to you guys. And then I'll bring you back and show you what one looks like when we pop it out. Alright, so what I do, and I use rubbing alcohol because rubbing alcohol helps to bind the layers when you're making glycerin soaps. And what I do is I go in here with a spoon and I drizzle. And this does make a mess. I'm trying to kind of hurry because it's starting to set up, which I know I'm doing this for video purposes. But I want it to be really, I want to be able to use these when I'm done also. And I just go in and like I said, it makes a mess. But you know, it'll come right up. It's soap. So don't be afraid to make a mess with it. And you just want to drizzle. Some, you know, different soap makers do them different ways. This is how I do mine. I like getting all the colors that's going to be in my soap. I like them to get in the tail. Okay, I'm going to do some green. Spritz. It's different when you're doing videos. Sometimes you tend to forget things. When you're just working and not have to pay attention to what you're saying, it's a little different. And like I said, I do about 20 of these at a time normally. I'm just doing 6 to show you guys how I do it. But the soap is colored with beautiful micas, and that remind me of Mermaid colors. Now these takes a few minutes to set up, maybe about, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe if that, but we're going to take one, and you have to be very careful. I take them and I'm going to show you what I do. I just pop them out like this and they release, and there is your beautiful mermaid tail. Okay, we're not done. So now I'll show you what else I do. I take a little rubbing alcohol. That's all you use when you use glycerin soaps, and you spritz it, okay? Now I use different ones, but this one is just one I like to use. And I put a little cosmetic grade glitter on. Now this is not the glitter that's going to go everywhere and you can't get it off your skin. But do you see the difference that makes when you add that little bit of glitter on there? I'm going to add another one for you. Here's another one. Okay. Hope y'all can see it. Hope it's focusing for you. You just spray it with a little bit of glitter, not much. Just want to do enough to make it stick, really. And then I've got some over here. This is our mineral glitter that we have. Well, try not to move it so much. Just a little bit, okay? And then sometimes you can rub it a little off so that the colors pop through. And the glitter sticks on the ridges. And that's all. That's all it is to it. But it does take a time. Like I said, it maybe look easy here. It is easy. It's just time consuming. So there you go. That's the mermaid tail. It's a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And please subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.